What are the five most popular things to do in Hawaii?
Aloha. Oh, let me tell you, Hawaii is packed with all kinds of fun and adventure. Here are the five most popular things to do in the islands. 1. Beach time. You gotta hit the beaches. Waikiki Beach on Oahu is famous for its golden sands and surf. Don't forget to check out the beaches on Maui, like Kaanapali and Wailea. 2. Hiking. Get your hiking boots on. The Diamond Head hike on Oahu gives you a killer view of Honolulu, and the trails in Haleakala National Park on Maui, woo, they're breathtaking. 3. Snorkeling and diving. Dive into the underwater world. Molokini Crater off Maui is a top spot for snorkeling. You'll see colorful fish and maybe even a turtle or two. 4. Cultural experiences. Experience the rich Hawaiian culture. Attend a luau, like the one at Old Lahaina Luau, and enjoy traditional food, hula dancing, and music. 5. Explore volcanoes. Visit Hawaii Volcanoes National Park on the Big Island. You can see active volcanoes, lava flows, and unique landscapes. It's like stepping onto another planet. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for some island fun.